Hey everyone, today I'm still doing my spring cleaning, but I'm gonna use some peel and stick to spruce up these counters. Let's do it. Ooh. So what I'm learning about spring cleaning is that you get really intimate with your house. Like just moving in is one thing, but really getting down to the nitty-gritty is another. And so I'm really cleaning today, getting rid of stuff. Yay, the spring cleaning. Let's go. So here are these ratty counters that the house came with. I haven't had time to spruce up the house and upgrade because all I did was work, but it's about time that we did it. I'm really ready to do something to it. I don't have the money for like expensive counters, so peel and stick will have to do. At least it'll be aesthetically pleasing. Here we go. So I have my peel and stick, and I have my smoothing out tools, a precision knife to trim it up, hairdryer just to help smooth out the air bubbles. I also caulk the sides just to make it smoother too. So it's time to get to work. I'm not really a DIY person, but I want to spruce it up a little bit. Let's do it. Okay, so now I got my headphones on, I got my music on, I am moving and I'm grooving. Hey, check it out. It's gonna be a lot of work. Whew, I'm just trying to get my energy up. Playing with this peel and stick. Twirl, like drill team. Do. Let me stop playing. Okay, it's time to get to work. Okay, let me cut this thing open, roll it out, measure it out to the best of my ability. The peel and stick has like grit lines, so you guys can cut it as even as you can. Yes, guys, this was a lot of work. So just tell me, guys, what you think about the end result. Comment, like, subscribe to this channel, and thank you guys to the subscribers. I really appreciate you guys for journeying on with me, and let's continue to grow this channel. The main point of this video is not just spring cleaning, but to be faithful over the few things that we have. God wants us to be good stewards over all that He's given to us. And I'm just thankful to have a roof over my head. That cross in the kitchen, it says, "As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord." I am a Christian life coach. I'm always here to encourage you. So this video is here to encourage you to make the most of what you have, to be thankful and be a good steward. Be faithful over the few things that you have, especially in the times that we're living on. Just thankful and grateful, good stewards. So I'm finishing up. It is a lot of work. Again, tell me guys what you like and comment in the comment box. Thank you guys for watching. I will talk to you guys later. Enjoy.